This video demonstrates the integration of Radware vDirect with Nuage VSP and OpenStack Liberty Load Balancer as a service version 2. The scenario shown here is VSD-managed Subnet. The logical architecture consists of an internal network inside the Nuage domain, which is created in Nuage VSD and afterwards imported into OpenStack. First, we're deploying the 3 web servers in the internal network. Next, we deploy Radware's automation engine vDirect. It will get orders via REST API from the OpenStack controller to provision Alteon virtual machines. When an admin configures a load balancer via OpenStack console, vDirect receives the order to provision an Alteon virtual machine that corresponds to the configured load balancer. vDirect triggers the deployment of an application delivery controller, which after deployment is being connected to the internal network. Next, the Alteon machine would expose a virtual IP and would load balance traffic to the configured real servers. The physical infrastructure consists of a series of nodes: OpenStack controller on 2 computes, Nuage nodes, VSD, VSC, VSG. In addition, each compute node has a Nuage virtual routing and switching module. The compute nodes are used to host the real servers and Radware VMs. Next, we would like to demonstrate the configuration and provisioning of load balancer as a service in VSD-managed Subnet context. We may see that there are 3 web servers that don't contain any interfaces. We will start by creating the internal subnet in Nuage. Next, we navigate to OpenStack and import the previously created subnet using Nuage extension. After the network has been imported into OpenStack, we connect the 3 web servers to it. Next, we move to the OpenStack console. We start by creating a load balancer, which we connect to the previously created internal network. Next, we create the HTTP listener, server pool, and start adding real servers. The addition of the first server to the pool triggers the provision of the load balancer virtual machine by vDirect. We might need to wait for the virtual machine to boot up and receive its configuration from vDirect. During this time, its status is pending update. When the appliance is ready, its status becomes active and we may continue adding the rest of the servers to the pool. We may actually check that the configuration has been successfully pushed to the appliance by connecting to vDirect. We choose the appliance and query it for the current configuration. Here, we may find all the LBaaS configuration translated into Alteon language. The final step of the demo is the test of load balancing. The algorithm configured here is round robin, so we may see that the requests are being load balanced accordingly. Once again, we move to OpenStack to make sure that the network which is being used for load balancing is VSD managed.